When we need to upload our own self-created videos to Instagram, it is necessary to crop the video to fit its initial fixed square 1:1 aspect ratio limitation. Next, let's learn how to crop video for Instagram using a reliable video cropper, Joyshare Media Cutter. Firstly, import the video to the program after installation. Secondly, go to the Format window, in which you have to start the encoding mode for video cropping and then select the desired output format. The gear icon at the top right of the chosen output format is used to customize the output quality, like codec resolution, frame rate, bitrate, and more. Whereafter, return to the main window and locate the Edit button. In the new window, choose the Adjust option and you will find the cropping tool. You can simply move the white dashed cropping window to crop the video to the required aspect ratio. Or, manually enter the value of width and height to set a specific size for your video. Also, you're allowed to choose a preferred automatic frame aspect ratio in the drop-down list. Before confirming with the OK button, check the result in the right preview window. If necessary, do other editing to make your video more stunning as you like. Upon done, click the star button in the first interface to output and save the crop video. That's all for how to crop video for Instagram. Thanks for watching.